Welcome. In this video I want to demo some improvements that have been added to Snap. As you can see, I'm working on a small asset collection of my own, nothing fancy, just rail tracks I want to use in planning a model railway layout. Now, if you look at those models, you can see that many have snap points that need to point in a different direction than the main X, Y or Z axis. We could change the direction by hand, of course, but we now have a much easier way to do this. The Set to Normal button will now align the red direction vector to the normal of the selected faces. Clicking it again will reverse its direction. We do this for the other side of the switch, or point if you like, as well. If we now select another piece of our asset pack, we can see that it aligns nicely with the outgoing directions of this three-way switch. I did this for the other items too, so now I should be able to quickly plan my layout. Another addition is a pie menu. Now, having a button in the panel isn't all that useful in itself, but it makes it easy to add it to the quick menu. And having it available in the quick menu means we can show all the flip and rotate operators near the location where we are working, which is convenient, I think, because we don't have to move our mouse all the way to the right anymore. So after snapping, if we need to flip, we just press Q and select the right one from the pie menu. The final thing I want to show is something that is relevant if you are creating snap points for an asset set. Let's have a look at these two three-way switches. The one on the left has all the red direction arrows consistently pointing to the right. That may seem convenient when we snap it to another object, but for some snapping points that may result in an orientation that we don't want. We can of course use the flip buttons to orient it the right way, but that is extra work. There is a different approach though. If we have a look at the three-way switch on the right, you can see that here we have the direction arrows consistently pointing outward. If we now enable the Autoflip option, which will result in snapping with the direction vectors in opposite directions, the user will have far fewer situations where they need to flip after snapping. So the tip here is, make sure your direction arrows point consistently outward, and let your users check the Autoflip option, and it will be even easier to snap your assets. Thank you for watching.